how to fix Instagram story music not working. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So the main reason you're facing this issue might be that your application is not up to date. So head to your Google Play Store or an App Store and check if any update is available. Right here, as you can see that there's an update available, so I'm just going to tap on update and update my application. Once the application has been updated, there shouldn't be any problem with the music. So let's go ahead and try it. There's not a music problem anymore. But if you're still facing issue, then if you have a professional account, then you might want to change it to personal account. So for that, go to your profile, tap on 3 horizontal lines at the upper right corner, tap on settings and privacy. From the settings page, tap on business tools and control and scroll to the very bottom and tap on switch to personal account. Again, tap on switch to personal account. Now with this, your music problem should be solved. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.